Love this time of the year coming into Thanksgiving, when we're kind of winding down the year and getting ready for Christmas. And due to the Thanksgiving and coming into Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we've decided to really at Reju Wellness to give back and to give you 30% off everything over those 4 days, so we can really give the gift of health. And I think now more than ever, we've all realized that your health is so vital. And it's so key to be using whole food, natural, plant-based supplements which deliver right at the cellular level. We've had so many amazing testimonies of patients who have taken Reju Wellness during COVID, from little ones to the elderly, and everyone, thank God, is healed. Our hearts really go out to those of you, friends and family, who have lost those dear to you over the COVID season. I know it's a mixed blessing for many, but to do our bit to give back, we're really keen to offer this discount over those days, and as I said, to really help shift you into the best version of you.